Okay, Thibodeau Rapids, early in the season, not a lot of water. It's March 12th, I think, 2016, low water year already. Steve's trying to navigate this bad boy. Got his work cut out for him too. Okay, he made the first there. And he's got to spin, he's got to come back. Here's where it gets tricky. I'm going to try to slip under some of these rocks and then ferry back over. Come on, mouse! Oh, he's making it look easy, as usual. Now he's got to ferry back into that center line. Come on, mouse. Smoother than anything. No worries whatsoever. He's slick. He's gonna wait for us. Lovely. Not bad, huh?